Hey friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we take the kiddos to Columbus, Ohio. Now, Columbus has an incredible world-class botanical garden, science museum, and zoo. But today, we are giving you our top 3, mostly free and totally unique things to do in Columbus with kids.
Number 3.
Number 3 is Aquarium Adventure. Yeah, really, an aquarium store. Don't knock it. This place rules. It's a 12,000 square foot facility and home to thousands of fish and some pretty unique ones. I bet they look hungry.
Fish. This one. Gars. Let's get a gar.
Oh, I like these guys. They're kind of cute. Look at their eyeballs.
Let's get a gar.
Is that Dory?
Yeah.
And here's Nemo.
We should get something like this clownfish right there.
No, we should get Buoy,
You want Dory or Nemo?
Nemo and Buoy.
I like Dory.
Get out of town. Are they freshwater?
Yeah, these guys are freshwater stingrays. They're from the Amazon River. That one is Penny. She's 24, going on 25 years old. That is Digger. He's 18.
Oh my god.
Number 2.
Next on our list is Fairy Doors of Dublin Trail. Dublin, Ohio is the most charming suburb of Columbus. Our adventure starts at the Dublin Visitors Center to pick up our Fairy Door passport.
Where do you start, Mom? Right here.
Sure.
So, you find your fairy house, heel, and heel. But if you come on this day, this might be closed.
Okay.
And
So what do you have to find? Their names, right?
yeah,
And write them in. And then what happens when you're all done?
you can get a free t-shirt.
Ooh, so we're going to turn ours in for a free t-shirt?
Yippee!
Our passport leads us on a trail through historic Dublin and Bridge Park to 11 businesses to find each resident fairy. So Fairy Doors is supposed to be on our list of free things to do in Columbus, but not if you buy $45 worth of macaroons.
Number 1.
And the top spot, we go to a factory. A whistle factory. American Whistle Corporation has been producing the classic brass whistle since 1956, outfitting our police, military, and the gold-plated whistles for the officiating crew at the Super Bowl. Giving high school marching band leaders a false sense of superiority since 1956. The kids and I took a tour and learned the process of building a whistle, beginning with the coiled brass, 30-ton presses, soldering tables, polishing, and finally the secret of how they get that tiny little pea-sized ball in the whistle. Now, truth be told, this tour is not completely free. It is $5 a person, but included with that is 45 minutes of education and entertainment, and at the end, each guest gets their own whistle hot off the press. Was that fun?
Yes.
Was it interesting?
Yes. Very.
Are you gonna drive me nuts the whole rest of this car trip?
Here's the first answer. For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.